Invoice for the fuck creep, pull a bill out. Yeah. Got a bad ting in Mumbai, cooking pill out. Yeah. Rich junkie, I hop on the stage, with a pill out. Yeah. Riding the Maybach on shrooms, yeah, I do this. Fuck that underground shit, I feel too big. I'm in love with the money, it's true. I put one, I put three, I put two. Fill up the trunk with baddies and go make a move. Too much money, is it me, is it you? Pop out, smoke, rest in peace to you. Pop out with your hoe, you know how I do. I had to fill the spot with Playboy bunnies. We don't love no hoes, we love money.
I love money. I love money. I love money. I love money. Aye. We boot up, we get high. We do drugs all the time. Bitch told me she won't fall. So put let's get it. All these got me in my minute. I love money. Big walk got me on my business. I love money, yeah. I love all my business. Yeah, I got police diamonds on me. How these bitches that jealous? All we do is go up, I love money. Go down. I love money. 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 Aye. We boot up, we get high. We do drugs all the time. Bitch told me she won't fall. So put let's get it. All these pussies, what's up? So put let's get it. All we do is go up. These perk got me in my minute. These walk got me on my balance. I love money, yeah. I love all my business. Yeah, I got police diamonds on me. How these bitches that jealous? All we do is go up, we don't go down. Ace made me go up, perks got me ground. Yeah, you said you better come and spin, better turn around. Yeah, you said you wanted me to tell me how the fuck it sound. Yeah, I just went and bought a building for a large amount. Yeah, she told me bustin' that, she told me not to ever pull out. Yeah, she told me that she fell in love, she ain't never heard about. Yeah, I just went and bought the doors, time to bring the birds out. Yeah, I just went and bought the lamb, cause that's what they heard about. Yeah,
I just flew to London, told her chill out. Yeah, all the smoke in a function with my grill out. Yeah, anybody got a problem, pull a mill out. Yeah, invoice for the fuck creep, pull a bill out. Yeah, got a bad ting in Mumbai, cooking pill out. Yeah, rich junkie, I hop on the stage, with a pill out. Yeah, riding the Maybach on shrooms, yeah, I do this. Fuck that underground shit, I feel too big. I'm in love with the money, it's true. I put one, I put three, I put two. Fill up the trunk with baddies and go make a move. Too much money, is it me, is it you? Pop out, smoke, rest in peace to you. Pop out with your hoe, you know how I do. I had to fill the spot with Playboy bunnies. We don't love no hoes, we love money.
I love money. I love money. I love money. I love money. Aye. We boot up, we get high. We do drugs all the time. Bitch told me she won't fall. So put let's get it. All these pussies, what's up? So put let's get it. All we do is go up. These perk got me in my minute. These walk got me on my balance. I love money, yeah. I love all my business. Yeah, I got police diamonds on me. How these bitches that jealous? All we do is go up, we don't go down. far gonna save that shit, I won't touch it. Begging for shotgun, brick, kick back like buckets. Snapping and facing my circle like Kit Kat does it. I can take a little bitch if I want to, yeah, but I doesn't. I just chatted that GC5, take it straight at the shot, take it back to my house. They asked how the hell I made money, I couldn't even tell them cause I don't know how. Turn at the beat till it blazing, yeah, turn at the beat till it blown. You a 2-4 gun, could've say that shit so per day, yeah, on the couch. I'm a big dog, yeah, you a mouse. Can't even rock with it, you not a boss. I done invented this shit on my soul. And I go rock at every show. You know my twin, you know my bro. Everywhere I go, I'm taking my pole. Yeah, we drippy. It's syrup, that's side, no tripping. Yeah, sipping on syrup out there. Could hold it and no pissing. It'll put everything on the line. On the kid, I end up missing. When you got a lot of money coming in, then you better start to be tipping. Yeah, how did he does it? Stuck in the mix fields, yeah, cause I love it. 45 seconds, you win it, you off, who does it? Yeah, and it's way too far, gonna save that shit, I won't touch it. Begging for shotgun, brick, kick back like buckets. Snapping and facing my circle like Kit Kat does it. I can take a little bitch if I want to, yeah, but I doesn't. I just chatted that GC5, take it straight at the shot, take it back to my house. They asked how the hell I made money, I couldn't even tell them cause I don't know how. Turn at the beat till it blazing, yeah, turn at the beat till it blown. You a 2-4 gun, could've say that shit so per day, yeah, on the couch. I'm a big dog, yeah, you a mouse. Can't even rock with it, you not a boss. I done invented this shit on my soul. And I go rock at every show.
Talk to me. Talk to me, chat. How do I sound, chat? Beautiful, Dane. What to do, Organic Minds? Slick Blocker. We got the family in the house. Cactus, Brian. What it do, Bing? Love to see everybody pulling up early. I bet y'all love to see me pulling up early. That's what it is. It's a Cuban cigar. Actually, it's a Miami cigar. All right. This is kind of like the same vibes I got yesterday when we hopped on stream, right? There is price action that was telling us, hey, this might be bearish, right? Now, if you guys don't recall, the first thing that I said when we were breaking down the charts is that I said yesterday, the higher probability trade is always going to be buys. I said, I like sells. I did claim that I like sells. I said, I'm not taking a sell yet, due to the fact that the higher probability trade is going to be buys. It ended up flying, right? Without even coming back, giving us a fake bearish setup. I agree that this looks like the impulse. This looks like the correction phase. SMA is on top right here. You know, potentially we're going to start, this SMA is going to go right here. This one's going to keep on riding, and we're going to start trading underneath those two SMAs, right? That's the potential. I see that potential. Nonetheless, we are ascending levels of support with no real volume, just trickling up there. And there's a chance that these SMAs as well cross, and then I don't know where this just pops, right? Down channel, side channel, and now we're forming our up channel. Very surely, slowly, and steadily. So we're gonna obviously not think what's gonna happen like I explained yesterday, and more we're gonna react to when proper price action is presented. Proper price action looks like it's being presented. I would agree with the fact that it looks like a pretty nice long right now. Now, I would agree with the fact that we have a whole London session in front of us. Therefore, could this long play out? Yes. Could it potentially be the best trade of the night? I don't know if it's going to just fly and leave without us 2 nights in a row. And if it does, so will be it, you know? I prefer to make sure I don't get caught in a... Like, imagine we hop in a buy right now, right? And then, I don't know, things just turn the fuck around on us. quickly and we start trading around the support level. The second we start trading around the support level and price starts hanging around here, I'm thinking sells. I'm thinking sells all the way down back to this zone down here, right? It's kind of the same play as yesterday, just yesterday it didn't really give us a chance to do anything, or maybe it did and I just wasn't paying attention because of the freaking internet. Nonetheless, I'm talking about we're start trading above in this resistance, anywhere above this resistance, we start trading around here, we're gonna probably break out at one point. And we start trading around down here, we're probably gonna break out to the downside. So it's really about trying to anticipate price action accordingly and get in the buy. I agree. We might have to get in the buy, but I just don't want to get in so early. We just got on. It's gonna be bull day. Look at the daily. The daily also 3 bullish candlesticks. 1, 2, 3. This one's gonna flip from bearish to bullish. Oh my god. Why did Brian vibe? Brian is such a hype man. This guy is like the guy that you need behind you whenever you're getting ready to get in and get dirty. Like this guy is just ready on go at 24/7. On go. Ain't gonna catch him slipping. He's giving me FOMO, making me want to hop into the buys. Like I feel his energy. So if you are going to get in a buy right now, I'd love nothing less but a 30 pip stop loss. That's what I needed to do. I needed to check the news. All right, let's go and check the news, boys. So 2 a.m., 4 a.m., 8:30. Nothing for London session. But we are going to have tomorrow for Asian session, and as well we're going to have during New York session. Forex New York session open. Dollar is going to react. Let's go look at the dollar for now while charts do what they do. This is the dollar daily. Wow, dollar looks like it's going to melt the fuck out. So dollar melts the fuck out. GU gets stronger. GJ is going to continue with its momentum. EU bullish. What to do, Jay Coop? Boys, if you guys are here early, it's because you guys support the channel and you guys love the streams. If you guys love the streams, drop a like, help support the channel. The like goes such a long way, you guys have no idea. I want to get into buys as soon as I fucking can. It's like one of those buys where fuck it, we lose, we'll fucking take our second chance. Like it looks great for us to go long. I agree. It looks great for us to go long. Why the fuck is this chair always so fucked? There you go. Get in the buy right now. What about gold, bro? That is a good. That is good. I need to go check out gold. Boys, why does anybody else have one of these like fucking chairs that go up and down, and that like after a few years, every time you like I like pump it to go up, you know, like I lift the thing and it just still slowly goes down. Is it that I'm gaining too much weight, or this thing just getting rusty? I gotta, what the hell? What's the fix for this bullshit? I feel like I'm sinking little by little. I'm all the way up here right now, right? Yay high. Watch, you guys are just gonna see me fucking lower. Let's look at the weekly on gold. Weekly on gold was very bearish, flipping from bearish to bullish, coming off of a bullish candlestick flag. So I mean, just looking at hindsight from, I'm going downwards right now. Looking at the daily, strong buy. What it do, Sagar? What it do, Paras? Yo, I'm like sinking. I hate this shit. Jesus Christ. I'm sitting buy side 2028. Where should be my TP? Damn, wait, you've been in since 2028? That's what you're saying? I am sitting in a buy from 2028. Where should my TP be? Well, if you've already held that long, you ain't gonna get stopped out. You should wait till USD news hits. You should wait till New York session. You should just ride it out. You should be sleeping right now, boy. Forget the charts, stops the break even. Let that shit ride. Gold looked great earlier. Dude, I'm going to put this shit all the way down. It's just, there you go. I'm all the way back to being down. This is as low as it could go. Badass, you think you gonna get me canceled with that reel, bro? Is that proper content to be able to post to goddamn the internet? All right, GJ, come back down. I regret not taking you. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna be impatient like that, boys. 100% we could come back and start trading near this level of support. Let's not get FOMO. Look at the 4 hour. This is a 4 hour bearish candle, 4 hour continuation candle. You guys know that I consider this a continuation candle. Though it is one of my favorite setups whenever we start trading underneath the 8 SMA close and then we recover. This was a bearish candle. This was a continuation candle and we turned around. So there, a lot of people, I mean, this is, I always call out when I see the continuation candle work. Very few times I see it not work. This is one of the times where it didn't work. This is a bearish, bearish continuation candle, bearish. Continuation candle, and we reversed. Bearish continuation candle. This might be the sniper sell. Boys, that might be the sniper sell. I'm not taking that. I'm not taking that. I ain't taking the sniper sell, but 100% that could be the sniper sell. Charts faked this out yesterday. I was thinking that this might sell off, right? This break of structure was just perfect, as in, what do I mean by break of structure, boys? Now, I don't trade break of structures to the T. Nonetheless, this one played out to the T. So those who did play out the break of structure, what am I saying break of structure? Here we have a higher low, lower low. Higher low, lower low. Price, made a higher low, didn't make a lower low, and then it broke the structure right here. It just flew through it. A lot of the times, though, you see price have a break of structure, boom, boom, broke structure. It would even go up to here, whatever, break structure up here, and then I've seen it melt out back up to here, have like a fake break of structure. So that's actually what when it happened, I was like, you know, I think that's a fake break of structure. You guys are gonna be able to recognize these fake out plays, man. Like, it's not about, instead of trying to catch the, oh, this is a bullish this is a impulse correction impulse, or this is a Fibonacci long, or this is a break and retest of resistance. Instead of catching these obvious goddamn setups that everybody knows, it's been around for hundreds and hundreds of, well, not hundreds, but you know what I'm saying. It's been around for decades. You guys should be trying to anticipate the fake outs. Try to instead of learning the fucking morning star, instead of trying to learn the teacup and the upside down head and shoulders, try learning the fucking fake out moves. Learn the fake out moves and start trying to because the chart has more fake outs than actual valid setups, I'd say, or maybe just as equal. Nonetheless, you got to be able to recognize the fake outs, right? Not just learn these picture perfect candlestick structures. It's never going to be picture perfect. You gotta be able to recognize, you know, anticipate these fake outs that happened. Badass, I love you. Badass, you are well earning so far. So far, you're on the right track. It's not like you're just earning money for nothing. You know, you're actually working. I love that. Love to see that. This dude's getting ready to buy himself a $100,000 challenge at the end of the month. Boys, to the chat, there was somebody who said check out AUD. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I don't see it. Am I fucking blind? Now we leaving you, we up too late. Oh, I think I was talking about the GJ trade. Check NAS 100. I'll check NAS 100. Do people trade NAS 100 at this time, bro? Looking at the weekly, I'd say you could expect a retracement, but I love the fact that we closed at resistance. This is when the rookies would hop into sells, and I'd say, man, there might be a small retracement triggering in all those sellers and faking them out, but at the end of the day, you need to try to catch a nice level of support and try riding it to the continuation, man. Because look, man, just look at the probabilities of what's gonna happen. Look how many weeks in a row it's been bullish. Look how many weeks in a row this chart has been, like, out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out of 10, 1 was bearish. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then out of 7, so out of 17, 2 were bearish. Out of 7, 1, you know, like probability say that, and that's the way you guys got to look at the market, right? Instead of us feeling, I feel this is gonna happen. No. Let's look at the past history and see where the probabilities tell us to be looking, right? Higher probability trades are most likely going to be in the buys, and that's just the way it is. Gold rejected the weekly bearish flip. Did a perfect upside down head and shoulders. Man, whoever's writing out gold right now, congratulations for being in a beautiful trade. Might be slow. Might have a strong retracement. Don't get scared. Hold the fucking trade. Gold looks beautiful. I think it's a great chart right now. It's at a level of resistance that I think is just going to accumulate price at. Wow. Now, I think we can start saying the same thing about the daily on GJ, man. Daily on GJ, our approach could be taking a trade. We're at 900. That means 30 pip stop loss is at 600. That goes to say if we break the low of the day, we most likely are going to continue to the downside. We lose our bullish trade. Nonetheless, if we hold and we actually hit, we would get to, you know, our 1-to-1 being something like, oh my god, our 1-to-1 minimum being something like this. Why doesn't that delete? What the fuck's happening there? I hope I'm rewarded for the patience. I don't want to hop in and a fake out instantly. That'd be ridiculous. 1's in the chat if you guys like the buys. I want to know who likes buys in the chat. 2's in the chat if you guys think that GJ's bearish. What do you guys think? No, I'm not bearish, but you guys think that GJ's going to sell out. Even if you feel like it's going to sell out before the buys, type 2 in the chat. If you get so I'm talking about right now, within the next 30 to an hour, is this chart going to go upwards or is it going to go downwards? If you think it's going to go downwards, break this level of support, then go up, that still means that you think it's going to go downwards. We're talking about next, you know, volatility wave. Remember, we talk about trading come in waves. Right now, we're not in a wave. Like this, this is a wave. If you got caught in this slow tide, look, you boogie boarding right now. This, you know, you ain't even surfing, you just boogie boarding. That means, you know, you got to keep on boogie boarding. Don't get wiped out, right? Don't try to catch this, boys. Don't try to catch this buy. Can't catch it while it's breaking. Can't catch the wave while it's breaking. Now, wow, we have people scared to take buys. Yeah, I feel like we got more sellers in the chat. Let's see if we can get more participation. 1's in the chat if you guys are bullish on GJ, GBP, JPY. 1's in the chat if you guys are bullish. 2's in the chat if you guys are bearish. Okay, maybe I'll be a little bit more patient right now. Boys, if I am passing your challenge currently, I need you guys to message me privately. Besides, unless you're Thomas, Oliver, if you're on the funded trader, you're trading anything with Think Markets, I need you guys to message me because you guys are getting emails with usernames, and I need to be able to add that to the new copy trader. I just bought a whole copy trader literally like 4 days ago. Everybody got wiped out 2 days. Not wiped out, chill. I'm saying everybody's fucking accounts is not allowed to be on that copy trader anymore because we got majority TFT. So we're in the process of migrating copy traders. Not even open a ticket. So if I'm passing your challenge, I need you guys to check your guys' email, look at the updates, and I need you guys to just forward that to me. Or just copy and paste the username, screenshot that. Boys, I got some big things coming pretty soon, boys. I got some big things coming pretty soon. I'm building a real nice office right now. Like I'm talking about real nice office. Studio type office. I'm talking about there's gonna be picture perfect background. More than half. Like I have accounts that I right now I'm gonna manually take the ones that I don't need to take. Boys, what an office that I got coming. What an office. I got a really nice camera on the way. I got the, what is it called again? What camera I got coming on the way? Y'all probably know more about cameras than I do. That's why I wanted to say the name and see if I got anybody who gave an opinion. The Z, what is it? Badas, can you check what I sent you? What is the camera name? Just send it to the chat. It's the ZEV10. It's the ZEV10. It's the Sony ZEV10. There you go. I got that one coming, and I got it with I got a lens that costs as much as the camera, but it's gonna be able to help me distort and then obviously I got multiple lenses. I've been watching a whole bunch of videos. A lot of people, bro, this guy, and dude, there's just so much space right now. I have I'm thinking we might start streaming without the green screen, because it's gonna be my walls are gonna be textured with wood. There's gonna be like RGB lights behind little plants. I'm gonna have fucking a little bookshelf. I'm gonna have I have the FX Peso neon sign being built, woke money. I'm gonna have a little stand up. I'm gonna have like a little stand up, like a little desk where we could sit, where I'm gonna be able to sit down and like record at a different angle. And like, I don't know, dude. There's gonna be like 3 different ways to be able to capture really nice content. Blueberry Markets or DX? I have no idea what Blueberry Markets is, but really good setup coming real soon. I decided to not get my Cartier watch, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna invest in a setup. How about that? I'm gonna take some good decisions. Good financial decisions. Stick to the Logitech. Very reliable. I have the Logitech, so I'm gonna. That's a streaming camera. The streaming camera is. First of all, I'm going to be able to actually stream to you guys in 4K, as well as it's very easy. Like it's like a lot of people use it for streaming. So it's because it's an easy camera to stream with. So I'm actually going to have multiple cameras. I have Logitech, which is one of the newest ones. Obviously, everybody uses this, that, whatever. And then I have the camera that I'm going to have actually right here. So I'm going to change this camera to maybe be like on my left side. Probably not even going to use that. Maybe it's going to be like, who knows? And then I have another Canon. I think I have a Canon. I don't know what it is. It's a I don't know, fuck it now. And then that one, I'm gonna have that one right here. My right hand side, middle, left. I'm buying an extra screen. So boys, what do you guys do when you have a laptop that only has like 2? Like I have a HDMI plug-in, boom. And then I have a USB-C plug-in, boom. So I got 2 different screens. What do I do if I wanted a 3rd screen? I need to put like I need to put like a splitter, like that lets me put 2 HDMIs. Like what would be the play if I want to add another screen right now? What do I want to do if I want to add another screen right now? I only have 1 HDMI, which is 1 screen, and then I have motherboard, have 3 to 4. So what? I need to buy one of those motherboards and like connect it like to my fucking, and what? That's connects USB, mini display port. What do you mean buy a port? I didn't see it. Send me. All right. Beautiful that we have waited and patiently and not hopped in a trade. I mean, now we have opportunity. Like not being in a trade offers a lot of opportunity, and right now we have opportunity. Sir, you have a mini disport plate. Sir, you have a mini disport plate. I don't know. I have. Yeah, I do. I have the mini HDMI. You're right. It's the mini. I think. I'm about to take a photo of it, bro. I'm gonna take a photo of it and send it. You guys, instead of asking for help from other people, might as well ask for help from my fucking fellow streamers. Damn, bro, you guys are gonna see my computer a little bit dusty. Now, a lot of people are going to be like, why don't you have a PC? Why don't you have a PC? Why don't you have a PC? 1, because I'm a fan of Razer. Razer makes amazing gaming laptops. 2, I travel, brother. I need to be able to bring my laptop wherever the fuck. This laptop, It's OP. I stream game. I mean, obviously computers might be a little bit more powerful, but I'm definitely one of the best fucking, as powerful as you guys can get on a fucking laptop. Straight the fuck up. Let me send you guys the port that I have. All right, GJ about to show some bearish price action right now. Do we have anybody that actually hopped into the sell? You need to buy a cable mini display port to connect to the laptop, normal display port to the monitor. Look at the free chat on Discord. Whoever was helping me out right now. Is that what so obviously I have one connected to my, yeah, is that I have a USB-C to HDMI, and I think that or is that, what is this? Yeah, I have a USB-C to HDMI which connects one of them, and then I have obviously HDMI to HDMI. And then check the chat. I'll check it for you guys. Bada says to, so this is the two plugins. So my question is, I'm asking, can I use any of these two plugins right now? That's the USB-C, but that's the charger. No, that's the charger. Or it might be a USB-C as well. Who knows? And then this, I was thinking, do I connect it to this? Or no, I need to buy something completely different. Bada says to get this. That's a security log port. You see? I'm a fucking clown. We got people probably laughing at me now. Alright. Is this the buy opportunity that we were waiting for? Or is this just a fucking sign that we're going to start selling off? We got to focus up right now. That device got 2 HDMI additional support. So just add into the USB port. This, the guy knows what he's talking about. The people that are the most silent are the ones that they know what they're talking about. So what, that connects to this? Does that connect to this? Give me something, Brian. Yep. Thank you, Brian. That's what I needed, Badass. You over here acting like you know what you're talking about, bruh. We got Brian over here, who he's fucking the people that are the quietest are the ones that know the most. You always gotta pay attention to the guy who's the quietest in the room. Bruh. Alright, is this the sniper buy or what? Is this the sniper buy or what? So rejecting the 8 SMA, reject support, and then start targeting the 50 SMA. This is on the 30-minute candlestick chart. Right? This is actually very similar to the setup that we had yesterday. If you guys recall that we missed the buy, price was rising. We thought it was gone. Then it melted completely on us. And we were like, oh, yep, it sells. It actually sells. And then we did mention at one point, we're like, hey, what if this is the sniper buy? Ha ha ha. We didn't really, touch on it too much. Then we actually started rejecting. Somebody in the chat was like, yo, bro, I told you to take the trade, blah, blah, blah. And then it just left. Left, didn't come back. If this comes back to 900, fuck it, we're doing it. If it comes back to 900, if it comes back to 900, stop loss at 600. A 30 pip stop loss. 30 pip take profit. Potential trade setup.
getting my cash right. Tighten up my circle, that's when I remove my last knife. Can't forget you when you tried twice. Remember you used to chase a bag on that curb. I be stunting on they ass, this for dirt. All that dirt I shook off right before I took off. Don't forget me was the last thing I heard. And then came the sorries, and then the Ferraris. Everybody say they sorry now. So my life is like a party now.
Yo, get DD. Yo, get DD. I don't know what this guy's saying. She flew. She's melting. Badass for real. What about I say? I sent you a better version, dog. For real? Badass sent me a better version of that? Oh. No. How is this a better version? That's a... Oh, so that's the same port right there? I don't even see, brother. This looks like that bullshit you use for Wi-Fi. This looks like what you use for Wi-Fi, and this looks like USB-C. I don't even know if that's This looks a lot more fucking straightforward. This looks like HDMI, beautiful. This looks like fucking straight to the last cable that I fucking need to be able to plug in, the last fucking button. Beautiful. This does not look like that. So if this is that, then what? There's an HDMI here. I have that. What you're showing me right now, I have. I literally have what you're showing me, but that just has a bunch of USB. I didn't notice the side, but I see what I put like an SD card there. Oh, so I plug in the USB-C and then I plug in this cable to that. Bro, this looks so much straightforward. I have a multi-port. What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? All right, you could connect 2 monitors extra. That's why. Oh, okay. Badass, we'll hop on a call and double confirm everything before I do it. So, I'm gonna have a vertical one. I have this one, so I already have a really nice Lenovo. I'm gonna get another Lenovo that matches it, because like this one's like the nicer one, and then this one's like a mini one. I'm gonna have it sideways, or should I have it on top? Or should I have it in this side? I have no idea. Do you guys find more success in hitting your take profit for the trades based on structure or setting targets for the day? I think hitting targets for the day, kind of your sense. I think you're saying, when you're saying hitting targets for the day, you're saying, you know, aiming for the full daily move off the day, like off the, you know, 4-hour daily. And when it comes down to that, that boy Brian, he went from buy to sell to buy. Brian, you switching up. You switching up. Bro, buying 6 screens only to look at you. That's it, dude. No, I mean, I have one screen that has the YouTube with the music, another screen that has the charts, another screen that has my whole OBS. I think I need another one to be able to work. So one more is perfect. Are you in this trade? No, sir. I apologize. We are not in this trade yet. I kind of made it. I'm sorry. I forgot that people keep on joining the market. The session, the live stream. What the fuck is wrong with me? Let me drink my fucking morning caffeine. I'm kind of thinking that if we start continuing to the downside right now, I really wouldn't want to be in this trade. I would like for this 30 minutes to flip bullish, right? Now, it's not typically how I take entries, whether just like oh, candlestick flips bullish, let's trigger ourselves into the trade. I don't like that shit. What I would most likely look at doing would be just waiting for price to start trading around this resistance level, telling me that, hey, we're respecting this 8 SMA right now, right? And yes, we're going to keep on forming higher levels of support. Without that happening, I could see this continuing to the downside, another candlestick opening, and then breaking this support, which would be lovely for us, because then we could start, you know, sniping the break of support, you know, long maybe somewhere around here or here. You know, discount price. So up to the moment, boys, we are not in a trade. I apologize if it's if you know, whenever we're in a trade, whoever's gonna put we are in a trade, we're gonna put the entry, we're gonna talk about the take profit. Right now I was getting ready just in case it flipped. Wow. Do I check the JPY basket? No, because the JPY is not as, you know, the yen isn't a strong pair, right? When we have major currencies, we're looking at the dollar and we're looking at the Great British Pound. So whenever GBP is bullish, it's most likely because the pound is strengthening more than it's because the yen is getting weaker, right? Now, yes, the yen could be fucking getting stronger and attracting price. Nonetheless, the yen doesn't move the market. The dollar moves the market. And what comes in secondary place, you know, things around that, like fucking whatever, the pound, oil, gold. DR Trade says, show us your setup. My setup is going to be majorly improved. I invested a whole bunch of money today on new camera equipment, new lighting equipment, new different RGBs, different wallpapers, different, just all types of things you guys could fucking think of. So I'm excited for, I think everything is going to be pretty set up by next week. 800 will mean we have a stop loss at 500. 850? Or should we just go for the 900? Why the bitch you wanna blow me? You wanna know it on me. Ballin' like I am, Jack. Sometimes I think too much. Wish I had think less. What does the chat think? One's in the chat if you guys like this buy setup. 2 in the chat if you guys think that it sells. 1's in the chat if you guys like the buys. 2's in the chat if you guys like the sells. If you guys have not liked the stream yet, make sure you guys drop a like, because if we reach 150 likes, we will do a cash giveaway 5K account challenge. So make sure you guys drop a like. One, 2. Is this the Chica that I think that it is? Chica, we're the one. You're the one that we're working with. I'm working with. We're working together. From Liverpool. No, Manchester. That was not. I wasn't trying to disrespect Manchester. Manchester. I'm pretty sure I get punched in the mouth if I do that over there. Yep, man. That's funny. I apologize. Upload the reel, bro. I'm waiting for it. Okay. Badas is like my manager now and shit. So Badas gets upset with me and he starts putting, you know, laying down the we need to get shit done. We need to do this. We need to do that. And I'm like, bro, I'm just trying to chill, bro. I gotta hit a trade. Let me focus. All right, let me see if I could get this video downloaded. I'm not sure if I downloaded it. Oh. Bro, I'm gonna get so much. I feel like I'm gonna get hated, or like someone's gonna say something. There's definitely somebody's gonna say something about the video. They're gonna be like, yo, that's, hopefully I don't fucking get canceled because of this. If I get canceled because of this, I'm gonna at you, Badas. Can I at you on this one, brother? I know you gave it to me ready. I'm downloading it. I'm gonna get canceled for this video I'm gonna drop, boys. Disliked already. Again, it's not gonna be too funny for you because you've been around on the channel too much, so it's like it's one of the jokes that we always throw out there. At least we'll have a little few extra watching. What? I'm probably gonna get attacked by fucking Meta. Meta's gonna be like, bro, what you doing? All right, boys. So being patient paid out here. So right now we're seeing GJ have a strong retracement. Now I'm kind of following the same rules as yesterday, right? Rules of yesterday said the higher probability trade is bullish, right? We stated that perfectly. The higher probability trade is bullish, no matter what we see, no matter what we feel. Statistically, looking at GJ, the higher probability trade in the last fucking 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks has been buys, even longer than that. So hopping into a sell has to be something very you have to be very cautious. Us approaching this level of support, even if we start acting like we're doing a freaking double bottom, and then we have like the noobs start hopping into buys because they think that double bottoms are valid, that's when I'm gonna be like, all right, we're probably gonna, unless I don't think we're gonna melt through it like a butter knife right now, but I do think that we're gonna reject a little bit and then probably melt through it. This level of support is gonna be broken. That's what I'm trying to say. This level of support is gonna get disrespected. If you are in a buy right now, Mr. Brian, you better freaking hold your horses. Be careful. Fadas, what do I use for the caption on this one?
Told me he been on some positive shit. Yeah. Lately I just wanna show up and body some shit. What's your treatment style? Always been a little mad petition. Lately this cash I'm getting. I'm using counting these bags. I've been moving too fast. Hard times don't last. Remember when cops are rats talking.
I love the work you did. I love the video. I just don't know how. I mean, you gotta try.
I'm trying to change the image. You can't blame my past no more. I come from the trenches. Some said I'd never be a superstar, but I know I'm different. I'm the voice, but the system ain't give me a choice.
Fadas, I don't know what I should put as like the cover of the reel. Oof, reactions. Yo, Brian. Oh my god. All right, boys, what are the different trading styles that exist? What are the different 3-letter trading styles that exist? We got SMC. What else do we got? We got ICT. What else do we got? What are all the trading styles that we got? What's SNR? I need people to be with serious ones, the serious ones. BVCs, this guy. We are not in the trade yet, boys. Brian, you about to blow that account with them buys, boy. Sheesh. Jesus, being patient is paying off right now, boys. We're being patient. It is London Open. Continuation of sells. Looks like this is pulling off. I mean, we saw the break and retest here. I mean, yeah, this. Will it turn around and do a double bottom? I have no idea. I do not want to hop into a buy right now. Let's take this off. I apologize if that triggered in somebody. SMC, ICT, support and resistance, price action. All these concepts are just going. My bad, boys. 1 second.
Earned our stripes, we gon' blow. If a nigga play foul, you would think we had a whistle. Look, capital I-G-O-A-T, yeah, that's that gas initials. Happiness and depression, I'm stuck inside the middle. I fell in love with dollar signs, won't let my mind forget you. Fuck it off, we spend it all on fast cars and shining crystals. My young is heartless, so they ain't playing no games. We really want him dead, he got hit up close range. He fucked up in the head, he wanna see some more brains. On that corner, I can stay about that dope game. My cousin got indicted dealing cocaine. She an Instagram addict, she want more fame. I used to starve, now I'm blowing up like propane. Told my inner self, I promise you I won't change.
All right. All right, GJ to a lower level. I see GJ potentially maintaining its bearish momentum. I mean, like I said, I kind of want to hop into a buy once we start breaking these levels of support right here. Anywhere from in this zone, expecting to put a stop loss underneath here, I'm willing to take a buy, right? Something like this. This is what I'm looking for. I need price to keep on coming down right now. I don't want it to reject just yet. I want to maybe fake that it's rejecting.
Claim to be a op, cause niggas die from that disease. He gon' let that 9 blow with ease. Can I speak my mind? Can I breathe? I know she might cry if I leave. I've been fooled by liars and thieves. I out my rollie, but I know time cannot freeze. Once you get my pussy up, it's over with. Miss who you used to be, cause that's who I was closer with. I'm in my bag now, I act like I don't know the bitch. Before I knew what platinum was trying to go on his. Well, if he act like he bout it, then put him on the list. You better pick out a casket, cause they going quick. They gas him up, not tears shedding when they post his pic. I know about some fluky shit, I heard he died on the lick. My whole squad's going, bitch, we don't do no assist. Potential wasted, couldn't stay in his lane, he ain't know his niche. Might catch him at the red light, tryna load his blick. Every day a gamble with your life, all we know is risk. From the windy city where you bound to see the coldest shit. I'm so sick of farewells and RIP. In the trenches yelling gang, gang, mob ties what I bleed. Don't claim to be a op, cause niggas die from that disease.
Alright.
He gon' let that 9 blow with ease.
Tag people.
I know she might cry.
Woke.
I've been fooled by liars and thieves. I saw my rollie, but I know
Let's see.
Switches on them glizzies get to blowing like it's for me. Promise to my son that the streets won't get no more of me. Remember every line from that obituary poetry.
I apologize for the distraction, boys. Alright. So now we are breaking this level of support, and I mean, I love it. I love it. It's just a discount price for us. I'm still a little bit bullish, right? Thinking that we could, Nah, I don't even want to say that we could reject this and leave a huge wick and flip bullish. I don't know about the flip bullish right now. Right now, it looks like we're going to wick fill everything that's happening right here. I still think that we're going to be able to catch a bounce. I mean, the good thing about trading with the bias is that whenever we do have a bounce, like imagine we do take a buy right here, right? This is a level of support that because we are bullish overall, there could be a strong level of like a bounce that's going to be able to push us into profit at least. And if we don't hit 30 pips, etc., we're going to have a chance to be able to hop out at break even. Like the rejections that we have, even if we're going to continue bearish, are going to be massive, right? So a lot more than if we were bullish and we were taking sells, right? If the bias is bullish and we're taking sells to take a counter trend trade, it's going to be a lot harder, right? If the bias is bullish, price is falling, and it's going to end up breaking structure, like we could have a very strong rejection that could put us into profit. I think that this one's going to get disrespected, though. I don't think that we're going to bounce right now. I could be completely wrong. I am just going to be patient before I hop into a trade. I'm not going to hop in because I feel anything. It's more because I know, right? All right, I uploaded a reel. We are going to do a giveaway live today at the end of the stream. The way you participate in today's, it's a $50 giveaway, boys. The way you guys participate in today's giveaway is by commenting. You have to make sure that you make sure you drop a comment on the, damn it. Oh my God, we're rejecting. Bada, tell me. Oh. Yo, volatility's coming in, boys. All right, let's pay attention to what's going to happen to this 15-minute candlestick. 15-minute candlestick is going to tell us a lot right now. The 15-minute candlestick is bouncing. It's bouncing. Bada, send it to the chat, please. Send it to the chat. There we go. All right, boys, if you guys want to participate in today's giveaway, we're going to choose it at the end. It's going to be a random person. It's going to be a random person that has commented inside the comments. So you guys don't need to drop an amazing comment. It doesn't need to be something special. You guys need to just drop a like on the reel and drop a comment. Drop a like and drop a comment if you guys want to participate in today's giveaway, boys. Those who don't, you miss 100% of the shots you don't shoot, boys. I've seen a lot of people win this. I never thought that you usually win the giveaway when you don't expect it. So show some support, drop a like. Let's see if karma comes around, and you usually win when you don't expect it. I'm telling you, unless you're badass, just expects winning every time. You're fucking dope. Why did my neck hurt? Beautiful patience, man. One of the things that I always talk about on this channel is that I hate trading in between two SMAs, especially on the higher time frame like this. What you usually do is that you play the bounce, right? We were over here. Most likely the bounces, we're gonna come all the way down here. They're levels of attraction, right? These zones right here are like magnets. You bounce from zone to zone, and yeah, they either attract price and repel it. The LGBTQ HDTV. Boys, go check out the. I posted a kind of. I feel like it's controversial. Hopefully, it's not controversial. I need you guys to show some love. So because it's like if the first comment is bad, then they're all gonna be bad. So you guys going and showing some love on that post is gonna lighten up the mood, so they don't come at me and like fucking ban me. Imagine I get banned or something like that for that. I'm not. Boys, to get you guys straight, I love all directions and colors. on the rainbow. So y'all need to chill. That's funny. Oh, all right, so we broke this level of support and we are seeing reactions, which is one of the fake out setups that I love anticipating. It's whenever we have a break of support, right? Price gets disrespected. We have a whole bunch of sellers that hop into the sell, and we actually end up freaking going long. Like I said, higher probability trades are going to be biased today. Higher probability trades for sure are going to be biased today, but you definitely don't want to get caught on the wrong side of the market. You're going to get clapped real quick. Daily candlestick chart. I mean, it's either we start respecting now and leaving a huge wick now, or we're never going to do it. Right? You guys got to kind of like try to picture what's going to happen on the higher time frame, and you know, where here can you actually imagine? Could you imagine? I mean, I could imagine it. I could imagine this being a huge wick, but if it keeps on going downwards, I don't know if if there's just going to be a wick right here. Like, yeah, I guess it could go up to down here and reject, and then start flipping. I could imagine that. I could imagine that. We could keep on going lower and reject. Hopefully we don't reject right now, boys. That would be really upsetting. I'd still have a chance to be able to hop in. Nonetheless, I'd miss out on 10 pips. Boys, make sure if you guys want to participate in today's giveaway, I just dropped the link to the Instagram that you need to comment the last post. Oh, it's to the post. You guys need to comment on that post. Comment, drop a like. Comment, drop a like. Make sure you're following the channel. And when we roll, we're gonna at the end of the stream pretty soon. Not pretty soon, but I'll see. Really after our trade, we're gonna yeah. So make sure you guys drop a comment if you guys want to participate in today's giveaway. We're gonna do it live today. Cash giveaway, boys. It's an easy cash giveaway. We do these all the time. Go and support. I'm so cold. I'm gonna put on a jacket real quick, boys. Do I think I'll take more liquidity from 19400 before pumping up? I'm hoping. That's my play. That is exactly my play, a la the Baker. I'm 100% expecting GG to come down a little bit more, you know, completely break that level of support. We already broke it, and that's one of my favorite setups. It's whenever we break the level of support, and then we actually end up doing the rejection. But I'll follow the same game plan as I said earlier. If we come all the way up to 900, let's give it 870. Around 870, if we come all the way to 870, I think it's worth throwing the 30 pip stop loss. Nonetheless, this looks like it's going to continue to the downside right now, boys. I don't know if you guys can agree with me. This doesn't look like a healthy buy. If anything, this looks like you're freaking FOMOing because the London just opened buy. So if you guys are FOMOing because London just opened, boys, there's 8 hours left in London session. Like, trading is a part of waiting for the valid setup. If you guys are just hopping in because you guys really want to be in a trade, it's not gonna, you know, fuck it. You know, that's what you do in the learning phase, though. That's why I always, and I repeat it all the time because I feel like a lot of people need to reevaluate what they're doing. And when you get into trading, you're not going to start winning money initially, right? We get into trading, you need to learn how to trade, right? The learning process takes from 1 to 2 to 3 years, right? The longer the better, because the more experience you have on your hands. Nothing you could do to beat experience in trading. Why do I say that? Because there's only 5 days, only 5 trading days a week, boys. It's only 5 trading days a week. You can only trade so much, right? There's only 364 days a year, right? Or 365. I have no fucking idea. My point is that, like, you got to show up every single night, and that's what's going to bring you to be a better trader. And that's what's going to, you know, all that experience is what makes you a better trader, 100%. Like, I could teach you how to play poker. I could teach you how to play blackjack by showing you the rules. Does that mean you're going to be a good player when you fucking learn the rules? No. The rules are just like the fucking outline of what happens. You know, you got to perform, though. You got to develop a psychology. You got to develop a strategy. You got to develop experience, right? So you can't beat time. Time is what's going to make you a better trader. And a lot of people hop into trading and then they start trying to make money, right? Your learning curve is like this when you start trading. You take a whole bunch of trades, take a whole bunch of losses. Your learning curve is like this. You lose. You're still learning. The second you start focusing how to just make money, you stop learning. You start getting stuck. Your learning curve flattens out. And if anything, it starts going down. because you start getting all in your head. So, like I said, boys, make sure you guys drop a like and comment on that Instagram that Paras is sending right there, boys. That is my last post that I just posted for today's giveaway. If you guys want to participate in today's giveaway that we are going to do, it's going to be a cash giveaway, $50, 5K account challenge, or $50. And you guys could comment right there, and then we're going to choose a random person that commented. Keep watching bullshit on you. Yeah. That's funny. Honestly, I might be with Brian right now. Brian, where do you have your stop loss? If Brian has a pretty nice stop loss, I don't think he'll get stopped down. It might go long. I love the Baker. I'll give you like 2 entries, bro. Any new entry? Not yet. I mean, this is kind of the same thing that happened yesterday. If you realize, where's my price action reader? This is one of my favorite tools. For whatever people feel like they're missing out on the market and stuff like that, where's the price action? Like the tool that reads the data range, price and data range. Is it this one? Yeah. So it shows how many bars we have in front of us. So we have 7 bars in front of us. And so I think we have 34 pips in 7 hours. This tells me 7 hours. So we have 7 1-hour bars and there's 30 pips. Right? Am I mistaken from the 30 pips? About 30 pips. About 30 pips in 7 hours. Less. Way less. It's about 25 pips. And so in 7 hours, GJ has moved 25 pips. We've been in a 25 pip range. So if you feel like you've missed out on the move, you're completely in your head right now. You're being impatient. Reevaluate what trading. Oh, this is a beautiful sell. I'm not going to hop into the sell because it's against bias, and my play is to let it sell off, and then we catch the buy somewhere around the 600s, 500s. That's what I'm talking about. It's triggering. It's so triggering. This looks like it's going to sell off, boys. I do not want to. I hate messing with people's psychology and telling them, oh, get out the trade, get out the trade. I don't do that. You know, stick to your bias. It's the best thing you could possibly do. You're going to be more upset with yourself if you hop out of the trade because of me and then lose when you were in a winning trade. You're going to be more upset than if you held it yourself, right? So, or it really depends. You got to reevaluate. What do you prefer? Losing because I told you, or losing because you don't want to listen? I think that this is a little bit of a sell setup, right? It's acting like it's respecting support. It's hovering at support, and this is usually when we get a next candlestick that opens. It opens with no top wick, and it just keeps on going down. Yeah, they're going to blame me anyways. Try to maintain discipline and stick to the rules. Paras, send it to the Discord as well. Please go to the Discord and send the Discord. Like, send the post to the Discord and at everybody and tell them to comment for the giveaway today on stream. Boys, if you guys aren't on the Discord yet, Discord is where we send all our free trades. We send all our trades for free. We have no VIP. There's nothing really much to offer in there besides freaking. Oh, we do a lot of voice channel. So after our streams, everybody's been hopping onto the stream voice chat right here, boys. For those who have not been able to locate it, the stream voice chat. Paras, why is there 2? We need to make it 1 because everybody was confused last time. So can we also fix this, Paras? Can you look at me real quick? Voice, stream voice. Like, why is there 2? Let's get that fixed, please. Different things. What was I gonna say? Oh, signals, boys. Admin signals. This is where I'm sending always the trade. Whenever we're in a trade on stream, if we're in a trade on stream, it's gonna be sent here. And if I am not on stream and I'm taking a trade, we usually send 1 a day, boys. And we've been having, you know, it's been nice, and people have been following the trades, as you guys can see. I always tell you guys to come drop an emoji like whenever you guys are in the trade and shit like that. But yeah, I send the entry, stop loss, all of it, picture perfect. Also, our trades get logged, right? Our trades get logged. If you guys want to go check out our trading log, you just have to go to track record. Paras, can you pay attention to me also now? Again, can you put the track record under admin signals? Oh, I can do it. There you go. Track record. You guys just come here, click on the link. Track record will take you to all the trades that I have taken on live stream since we have started live streaming. Right, goes all the way back to April. We see in April, you guys can see that we only send one trade a day, right? That's one of the things that I teach. That's how I teach, you know, hitting these win rates and being able to be profitable. It came down to being able to actually take the winning setups and stop you know, hopping in and out of trades so much and just getting caught out being ridiculous, right? Nothing's happened on GJ so far. We've moved 25 pips in 7 hours. If you've been in and out of trades, then you need to start paying attention to what I'm saying right here. If you've been in and out of trades and you are down right now, you need to pay attention to what I'm saying and stop trying to, unless it depends on what learning curve, right? The more trades you take, the more you're gonna learn. Point is, look, we only took 13 trades in April. In May, we took 18 trades, 17, right? There's 20 trading days. There's 20 days to trade a month. June, very little bit of trades. Still maintained a bunch of profitability. Then we started taking a lot more trades because people got mad. 15 wins, 7 losses, 4 break evens. Dropped the win rate a little bit. Back to August, 9, 4, 2. Back to freaking 15 trades. September, like, I don't know, you guys do the math. October, November, 92% win rate in November, 11 wins, 1 loss. We didn't trade December. Then we have January. January, we performed really well. And, well, not really well. It's the beginning of the month started out rough. And now we're in February. I actually thought we were on a win streak. We're not on a win streak, now that I think about it. So this is how we've done in February. And then we have March. And then we got to get a new one because April hits again. So February, so like I said, every time we take a trade, boys, we log it on the spreadsheet. Make sure you guys go check out the Discord for the admin signal section. And yeah, make sure you guys are in the Discord, boys, or else you guys are just missing out on everything that I got to do it for free. And also, if you guys are taking my live stream trade, you want to be able to see the entry and stop loss, I put it right there. We take one trade a stream, boys. We keep it that simple. And it's also because whenever people join my stream, I want them to say, hey, are you going to trade or not? Have you taken a trade or not? Okay, and if I've not taken a trade, then I want you guys to be able to actually focus and see, you know, try to actually catch because I try catching the full move always. I try to catch the full move of the session. I understand that every session there's about 1 to 2 trades to be taken. Sometimes if it's really volatile, there's 3. But there's only so many setups you could take. Gold is flying. Ah, dude. Well, it's not flying. Definitely would have been in profit though. I'm glad for all those who I told to hold at the beginning of the stream to keep on holding. Keep on holding. Things are gonna keep on going. The daily looks amazing. Everything looks amazing. Down channel, side channel, upside down, head and shoulders. Exactly what I talk about in woke money concepts, right? Why do I call myself woke money concepts? Because a lot of people be like, oh, this is in ICT, this is a upside down head and shoulders, right? And Fibonacci, and I don't know, and then so like the same time that this is an upside down head and shoulders, right? You guys see that? It's the other people are looking at this and saying, hey, this is a range that we were in, that we liquidity grabbed the range, hopped back into the range, and now we're bullish, right? Other people are going to say, hey, I see a down channel, side channel, and now we're forming an up channel, right? Others are going to say, hey, we had a break of structure of the bearish. We had bearish structure, and then we had a break of structure, breaking structure as we speak again, and that we're bullish. Others are going to say that this is just ripple fib. It's just a ripple fib accumulating. That right there is a ripple fib. That formation I just barely gave right there is what I understand as a ripple fib, and we're just accumulating towards resistance, rising levels of support. All these concepts are exactly the same. They're just branded to you in different names. We got some people call them ICT, other people call them SMC, other people call them BBC, other people call them LGBTQ HD. Really does, it's all the same goddamn shit, boys, right? And back to, I want you guys to go drop a like on that Instagram. About us, if you can send the Instagram. That's exactly a little bit of a video that I just barely dropped on Instagram. If you guys want to be able to participate in today's giveaway at the end of the stream, at the end of us taking our trade, I will choose a random person who commented, and you guys will be able to win. So all you guys got to do is drop a comment on that Instagram post that is being spammed right now, right? And that's exactly why I called my channel Woke Money Concepts, because it's like the sooner that people start realizing that people that trade price action, people that trade support and resistance, people that trade, it's just all the same. They're all the goddamn same, right? It really just comes down to, and then also I've always been very strong on saying, guys, it's not one strategy in specific that's going to make you profitable. You guys got to be able to adapt and learn that multiple strategies is what's going to be able to keep you ahead of the market, right? So those who learned that, I say that you guys trade WMC, right? Once you've evolved, right, to the next fucking, what do people say, what does Gandhi want you to evolve to? Nirvana. Once you've reached Nirvana, boys, that is when you are a part of you trade WMC. What does that mean? Woke money concepts. What is the fuck is that? And then you just, you say that it includes BBC, it includes LGTV, it includes everything. Biblical. Viral. Ugh. Neck. Boys, and if you guys have not liked the stream yet, make sure you drop a like. Turn on post notifications because we stream every single day. I missed yesterday's live. Didn't miss yesterday's live. I missed yesterday's trade. I got kicked out of live because of fucking internet problems. Why does my neck hurt, boys? I need to like lean backwards. All right, I like that we have bearish momentum and it doesn't look too aggressive. Oh, it's getting aggressive. We're gonna take the setup that we called out earlier, boys. I think we're gonna take the bounce once it starts going a little bit lower. And sheesh kebab. I told you that 15-minute sell looked great. I told y'all that 15-minute sell looked great. Anybody hop into the sell? Anybody that takes like those aggressive ass scalps actually hop into that sell? Getting old. Sheesh kebab. Y'all are hilarious. Y'all guys' comments. I feel bad for whoever's in the buy. Y'all probably holding for your dear lives right now. $187 Sabe put like a guy eating a fucking popcorn. Boys, like I said, if you guys want to participate in today's giveaway, in the chat box there's an Instagram post that is being spammed. Make sure you guys drop a comment, because at the end of us taking our trade of the day, that is when we are gonna do the giveaway. Random chooser, random person that commented. There's not even a lot of participants. You guys have like literally more than like 1 in 30 chance of winning, which is way better than fucking going to a stream that has like fucking 2,000 people and you got no chance of winning. This is a giveaway. You actually have a chance of winning. Right? When you least expect it is when it hits. You miss 99%, you miss 100% of the shots you don't take. All right, we are having a break of support from here, man. We are having a break of support. The one thing that I don't like about taking buys right now, like I said, is that there's just a lot of momentum in the bearish like candlestick right now, as well as us being in between these two SMAs. Like, I think that we need to come and target this little level of support. potentially disrespected a little bit, and then we could actually start seeing rejections. It's very scary to take sells. Like I said, boys, I called out the sells picture perfectly, right? I've explained to you, just because I feel, or just because even if I know that price is going to go to a certain direction, if I know that it's against my rules, like one of my rules is I'm not going to take a trade against the bias, even if I see it picture perfect, oh, there's a sell that's going to play out right here, man, that's not where the bigger move is. That's not where the bigger move is. And then yeah, I'm going to be in this sell. I'm going to be able to catch 15 to 20 pips. It's going to reverse on me. And then I don't know where this thing's actually going to go freaking crazy long. And then maybe like, wow, I could have caught 400 pips. I mean, 400. I could have caught 40 pips. I could have got 50 pips. And just like, I'm always going to make sure I'm putting myself where the higher probabilities are. And that's with the bias, right? Now, do I understand that there's a lot of bearish momentum right now? And that, you know, sell, like, I'm not saying sells are a bad idea at all. My trading style, my set of rules, just I've seen my higher probabilities of wins start coming when I'm making sure that I'm with the bias. Does not mean that I'm trashing on sells right now. If you have taken sells and that you are holding them currently, amazing trade, amazing trade. So far in today's session, there's only been this sell setup, right? You could have taken it here, could have taken it here, could have taken it here. This sell setup is the only setup that has been today in the session so far. So if you feel like that you're missing out on anything, that you've missed out on hella trades, no. This was pre-London. The only setup that we've actually had so far today has been this 25 pip melt, 26 pip melt, and to catch it at the tip of the tip, you have to be fucking insane in the head, or just, I don't know. But point is that not a lot of people caught the tip, especially with spread. Like, you most likely, for the people that are in this trade, they're most likely up like 20 pips right now, max, and they just got and they just hitting those 20 pips. So I mean, for a lot of traders, 20 pips is a lot. So actually, and 20 pips is a significant amount. I think 20 pips is decent. That's when you start getting into the decent numbers. Bearish momentum, though. I am very, very, very happy that we did not hop into that buy. That's exactly why we are very patient when we take our trades, boys. Very patient. And that's why I kind of preach the take one trade a day. The more you take one trade a day, the more, you know, you don't get caught up in taking bullshit ass trades. There's another bot in here? That'd be hilarious. Boys, there is bearish price. Let's go look at the daily candlestick chart right now. Daily candlestick chart is showing us that we are having a wick fill of previous support. Basically, you know, we're getting ready to disrespect yesterday's lows. I'm gonna actually mark out yesterday's lows right now. I think that's one of the important levels that we need to mark out, which it should be pretty obvious in the other candlestick chart, but and the day before's lows. This is pretty significant right now. Well, I'm gonna just leave that right there for now. Guys, one's in the chat if you guys think that we should be taking bounce buys. One's in the chat if you guys think we should be taking one bounce buys. I'm not gonna take them right now as we speak, but one's in the chat if you guys think we should be taking bounce buys. Two's in the chat if you guys think that we should be looking for sells. Either wait for it to come back and then sell, or whether we should, you know, hop in with the momentum. What does the chat think? I think that the bearish momentum is really aggressive right now to be taking buys, like bounce buys as we speak, like right now, bounce. But definitely, let's see what the chat thinks. Oof, boys, what's up with these candlesticks? Damn. Okay, chat. We're gonna be a little bit patient, boys. We're 30 minutes into London session. No need to rush into trades, boys. I need you guys to calm down. No need to rush into trades. We're 30 minutes into London session. What hour? What how about market to flip? I mean, the 4-hour was giving it to us. This is what we were talking about in the 4-hour. We have bearish candlestick, continuation candlestick, bearish candlestick, continuation candlestick, bearish candlestick. This is what we call, boys, a continuation candlestick. This is not a reversal candlestick. I know a lot of people get that concept, you know, not informed well. That is a clear example of a continuation candlestick. So from 5, so we've rejected 5 pips right now. Still isn't a DBE? What's DBE? Dead broke? No, I don't know what DBE is. I don't think we're ready for buys yet, boys. I really don't think. Let's wait for it to grab that low, then we could expect to buy. I think that we're going to continue a little bit more to the downside, boys. I think that we need to disrespect this 50 SMA right here. Like, we need to come at least tap it, act like we're trading beneath it. And I know I told you guys I want to take a buy at this level that we're at right now. I just think that the bearish momentum got a little bit too big. And yeah. A safe stop loss would be decent to throw the stop loss beneath here. Like it's not a horrible setup to be able to say, hey, I think that today is going to end up being bullish no matter what of this bearish momentum, right? We take a buy, 30 pip stop loss. So we're at 6, so it would be at 360. That's not a horrible setup. Something like this, boys, is not horrible. Where's the daily here? Daily. This is not a horrible setup. Hopefully we come down a little bit more and I get a little bit of a better entry. And I think we're going to take something like this, boys. I like it. I'm one of those people that think we're going to end up bullish. It's one of my favorite setups whenever we disrespect the level of support and then we end up trading back in the range, which this is the range right here in between these two. I actually like it. Yo, I got mixed. Brian, look at what you wrote in the chat. You wrote sells, sells, sells. Then you put, don't believe this chat. Chat be lying. It's buys. Buys. Market's about to flip. Buys. And now you're putting, keep playing with fire. No buys today. No buys. It's no buys. Don't take it. Too strong of sells. But do you see that you got mixed feelings here? You know, you're bullish, you're bearish, you're bullish, you're bearish. It's not healthy for your psychology, and it's the same thing. I feel like if you hop into a buy right now, think about how many times you've switched your bias, right? Think about if you hop into a buy right now, what tells me that you're not going to be in the buy and you're going to be like, oh, this is selling. And if you actually think in your head, this is selling, what means you're going to hold it? You know? So he's looking at the 30-second. I guess. I mean, I don't even got the 30-second here. Dollar melting off. That's what we expected, boys. The dollar's melting off. I agree with that. Look at the DXY, boys. Dollar looks very bearish. I mean, we've been showing bearish price action for a while now. We're wick filling everything that's to the left. Come down, please don't. I don't want to hop into a trade right away yet. I still like my buy setup. I just want it to come a little bit lower. Come a little bit lower so I don't have to experience crazy ass drawdown. Then we fucking King Joy. Whenever you guys have questions about challenges, about challenge passing, like I said, boys, if I'm passing your challenge right now, I need you guys to message me because we need to be able to switch the platform that we're doing the copy trader on, right? And if you guys have any questions about the challenge passing, King Joy, make sure you open up the Discord. Paras, can you send the Discord to the chat? And you go right here where it says open a ticket, right? Go to, oh, what the fuck did I just do? Right here. It says open a ticket. You open a ticket and then I can answer all your questions there. If you guys have not joined the Discord link is in the chat right now as we speak. And there you could open a ticket for challenge passing, and you guys could ask questions there, etc. Now, back to the charts. I really want to take this setup. I'm going to be patient with it. I think it's going to come down a little bit more. We have 5 minutes till this 15-minute candlestick closes. Even if it closes like this, I feel like the next candlestick will open with bearish momentum, no top wick to the downside. Yes, no, Oliver, you know. Oliver, you know, because I'm talking about everybody who has an account with Think Markets, TFT, and that has been switched over to the DX Trade platform. So whoever's been switched over to the DX Trade platform, I think that you guys, I know you guys need to message me. They just barely switched it yesterday. So I need to set you guys up on the copy trader. Bro, if you want to buy, then buy. Don't try to throw your opinion on others. We on that 30-second, baby. Get in with me. Let me check out the 30-second with Brian. 30. How do I go to a 30-second? 30. Like, what the fuck? Do I 0.50? I don't even know how to get to the 30-second. 3 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 seconds. There you go. I don't even got the 30-second, bruh. This boy paying premium. I'm paying. Aren't I paying? Yo, I know I'm paying. What the fuck do I have? There's no way I'm not paying. How is my current plan like this? That's so cap. I've gotten charged so much money. I can show you guys my fucking receipts, dude. I'm actually waiting for a $600 back from a different TradingView account that I don't know why it charged me $600. That boy Brian got the super charts on. But I actually, dude, am I logged in? Yeah, I am logged in. I see myself paying fucking monthly. It charges my PayPal. Dude, that boy Brian got the super charts. You in a buy? Not yet, boys. We're not in a buy yet. Whenever we're in a buy, I'm gonna make sure that obviously this is here. We're gonna have the entry, stop loss, and everything placed, as well as in the Discord boards. You guys are gonna be able to go to the admin signals, and this is where we send the signal whenever we are in a trade actively. So you guys could actually check the entry and everything from right off the bat. Expecting a little bit more bearish momentum, and the bearish momentum is playing out. Patience has paid off. Brian, your 30-second is probably looking like goddamn the London Bridge is falling. But in reality, nothing's really happening. He's only gone down 2 pips. Look at Discord. What am I looking at? Oh, it's to the members analysis. Oh, my back hurts. Okay, Brian. Hey, that boy talking, but he in deep sells. I like that. I like that. Okay, Brian. I got nothing to say. I'll stay quiet. I respect the name. Oh, okay. Better than what I ain't even up right now. So let's let Brian do his thing. Cook it up, Brian. Algo's on timeout in the Discord right now. Algo's on timeout for I think like one more day or something. I put him on a timeout. Even though he's here and I love him. I love him so much. No, Brian don't know. Brian's just expressing how he feels. All right, I think we're gonna do it, boys. Entry at 600. I think we're gonna take it. Not yet. Don't execute yet. New 15-minute candlestick. It's gonna open with a bottom wick. No top wick, bottom wick is gonna go down, and then we're gonna take it out the next support. I just know it's gonna. I know it's gonna maybe disrespect this level of support and then go up, but I would hate myself if this goes up right now. This is the fun part about trading. This is where things get feisty. No, it looks like it's going down. Looks like it's going down. I'm gonna just get ready to take the trades. I need to put on a jacket. I'm like freezing right now. Oh, this jacket would have looked really nice with my other watch. The Rolly with the green face. This one's. You might got a Rolly on, but we ain't got the same one. Ooh, I had a trap for mine. Tell me where yours came from. And yo, daddy. This is gonna go down a little bit more. Are you sure? Are you not yet in Dubai? Not yet, brother. Dubai whips. Dubai shit. It's clear to reverse first. It has. Why am I on the 5-minute chart, bro? Let's pay attention. New 15-minute candlestick opened. New 15-minute candlestick is giving me vibes. It needs to go down. Gold's gonna keep on going up. Jesus, why that? You didn't have. I called out gold longs when we first got on stream. It's so funny. Every time we're trying to take a trade on GJ, I always call out gold, and gold just plays out exactly how I fucking call it out. I told you guys, if you guys are holding that bitch, just keep on holding. If I'm in Dubai, you got me with anything I need. Oh my God, look at the connections that you make online, boys. This guy's probably from like one of the royal families and he hasn't even said it. Hey, bro, all I'm doing is showing nothing but respect. Melt, GJ, melt. Dude, gold is not going to reverse. Do not hop into gold sells at all. Even if you feel like it's going to reverse, don't do it. Jeez. Y'all recall me telling you to stay in gold longs, right? Gold looks beautiful. Boys, if you guys have not liked this stream yet, make sure you guys drop a like. If you guys have not subscribed, make sure you turn on post notifications on the subscription. If you guys have not joined the Discord yet, make sure you guys join the Discord as well. All those links will be available for you guys in the chat right now. Kevo, I'll take a Starbucks, bro. The guy said, come to Seattle. I'll buy you a Starbucks. Badass is like, come to India. I'll fucking get you on a camel. I don't even know what the fuck y'all do in India. Where's everybody in the chat from? Where's everybody in the chat from? Where are you guys representing? Where are you guys representing in the chat? Where's everybody in the chat from? Brian's from Portugal. You're in Portugal currently right now? Shout out to Portugal. Holland. Shout out to the Netherlands. DR. I'm trying to go to what's that place in DR that's beautiful? Casacampo? Casacampo. I think it is Casacampo. LA, Cali, India. Morocco. India, Dubai. Britain's in France now. It's French Portuguese. Nice. Alaska. Kenya. San Antonio, Texas. Shout out to the east side. South Africa, the motherland. I'm from Palestine. Much love. Much love to Palestine. UK, shout out to the UK, Lebanon, India. Boys, if you guys want to participate in today's giveaway, make sure that you guys look up there's an Instagram link that just got sent by Badas, one of the mods. Click on that Instagram link and drop a comment, because at the end of this stream, we will choose a random comment to be the winner of today's cash giveaway. You will be sent through PayPal, crypto, whatever you want. Just make sure you guys go drop a comment. Toronto, Iceland. Rock, you're from Iceland? Why is Iceland got a whole bunch of freaking grass on it and then Greenland fucking full of ice? I don't get what the point of that is. Where to comment? Comment on the Instagram, spam the Instagram post. You're from Jupiter? Ah, I thought he meant Jupiter, Florida. A huge golf fan, so you know I'm jealous for all the. That's my destination goal, boys. You guys are gonna see me in Jupiter, Florida. That's where I'm gonna get my crib. Jupiter, Florida. Comment on the Instagram post sent to the chat right now. That is where you guys are gonna be able to participate in today's giveaway. Ethiopia. That's like where Salim is from. All right, bearish momentum is maintaining to stick on GJ. We're not currently to buy yet, but bearish momentum is maintaining. Now getting close to this level of support and this 50 SMA. I am targeting this 50 SMA. I think that this 50 SMA is going to get tapped and maybe disrespected it as in get traded beneath under it, and then we could start taking buys for it to reject it a little bit and see how far price takes us. That is what today's game plan is. If we get clapped on the buys, I mean, I wouldn't even continue selling it off. I would just take the buys. So if we get clapped because it's actually going to continue bearish, then we get clapped. And it is what it is. Boys, if you guys have not checked out my spreadsheet, make sure you guys check out the track record to, you know, so you guys have an idea of how we take our trades or like what our stop losses is. That track record is available right there in the Discord. It just shows you guys every trade that we take on live stream. Quickly run through every trade that we've taken in April of last year, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. No trades in December. We didn't trade in December. January. We're currently in February. Right? Every trade that we take on live stream, we make sure that we log. And it kind of just so you guys have an idea on what my win rate is each month, how it varies. You know, we're winning more on buys, we're winning more on sells, you know, what pair, what stop loss. You guys could really analyze all those things, and then it could help. You could have it help you into your, like, you know, ability to come into the market and either trust my trade or to give an idea of what I'm looking at. I don't know. Use it to your advantage, boys. There's a track record. Make sure you guys are looking at the history of fucking trades if you guys are at least going to be paying attention to what I'm doing. I'm also in South Africa, Deep Soweto. Shout out to South Africa, man, the motherland. Can't wait to go there one day. Lovely people. I bet you there's lovely places. It must be one of the most beautiful places in the world, without a doubt. Bearish momentum has maintained. I like the fact that we are not in a trade right now. We've been being patient. Patience is paid off right now. Who is currently in a sell? Anybody actually catch this sell right now? How much percent profit should we target on a 100K funded account? Whenever I currently, due to the fact that I have a pretty good amount of capital right now, because I do challenge passing and account services, so I pass challenges as well as manage the account. Or just you guys, if you guys want the live account, you keep the live account. First payout, I always go for 2 to 3%. So if it's a $100,000 account, they pay me, let's say $500 to pass the challenge. Once the challenge is live, I always aim for 2%, 2 to 3%. That's $2,000, right? That's more than 4 times what you paid. That's double the you know, you're already in profit in your investment, and then we also get the refund. So I go for 2 to 3% on the first trade, on the first bi-weekly, whatever. And that's really easy to fucking maintain, and then I move forward and go on to my other accounts. And then once I'm in profit on that account, right, I'm stress-free, risk-free, I can use that profit that I used, you know, on break even, I have an extra $500, buy into the challenge. And then from there, I bi-weekly, I tell everybody I average about 4 to 5%, 4 to 6%. Really just depends on if my client tells me, hey, I'm down to risk this 2%, 3% this week. Let's just, you know, and then from there I'll keep on pushing it. But because of the fact that I have multiple payouts on different accounts coming, I always just reach for 4 to 5% on this account, 4 to 5% on this account, 4 to 5% on this account. My goal is to have $10 million funding. My goal is to have $10 million funding, and I have a certain amount of clients that are working with me that, you know, one of them is somebody who comes in the chat all the time and talks, is Darren, right? We're working on accumulating a large amount of capital with just very few clients. The fewer the clients, the larger the capital, the easier it is to be able to manage all these trades and have like different game plans and work with serious people. So like you know, just with Brian alone, you know, we're about to be already at $2 million funding. Just with CJ alone, we're already been at 500, no, 400. We lost one of our $100,000 challenges. They didn't pay us on FTMO. And then it just comes like that. I didn't know it was illegal. What is Allah? The maker saying Allah. Yeah, that's exact. Oh shit, price is falling hard. I like that. VIP course. There's no course. There's no VIP. You guys are the very important people. You guys are here watching the stream, so you guys are the very important people. What prop firms do I suggest? I hate giving my opinion on prop firms. I had a couple people buy my FOREX funds accounts before. My FOREX funds got shut down. I had people buy TFT accounts, TFT switch platforms. Like, Jesus Christ. Give me a break, boys. All right, hourly candlestick. New hourly candlestick is going to open pretty soon. I don't like that there's a lot of bearish momentum with this new hourly candlestick going to open. I'm going to wait for the next hourly candlestick to open before we hop into a trade. The bounce might be coming real soon, boys. I am really ready to fucking trigger on a trade. Boys, for anybody, if you guys did not hear the announcement before, if you guys are getting your challenge passed by me, I need you guys to message me with the new TFT for TFT traders, think market, brokers. Message me because we need to be able to link you guys to the new copy trader. I need to get your username. I need to figure out how all that goddamn works. So I need you guys to message me if I'm passing your challenge so we can continue. Oh, check your Discord. I'll check it after, boys. I'll check it after. How do I manage IP on funded accounts? I don't trade them. I don't trade funded accounts on copy traders. No funded account lets you trade on a copy trader. They only let you do it on challenges. So funded accounts are, what I do is what I call, you download multiple versions of MT4 and MT5 on different files, and then you're allowed to have them all open at the same time and be able to execute on them. So you need to just download different versions of the same MT4 and hold them on different files. So MT4 on one file, another MT4 on another file, another MT4, you open up all three, you can log it in all challenges at the same time. Oof, I kind of want to hop into a buy. I just would get horribly fucking clapped if the next hourly candlestick opens up with 1, 2, 3 just strong bearish momentum. No, it's definitely not free. If you guys have questions about the challenge passing, boys, I always say it. You guys go to right here in the Discord, open a ticket. You guys open a ticket. You guys could ask questions there. All questions could be asked here in the open ticket. It'll be answered as soon as possible. Open a ticket. You guys do not have the Discord link. Discord link is going to be spammed. Can you spam the Instagram thing again? We're gonna do a cash giveaway today, boys. Pretty soon. If we don't find a setup pretty soon, we're gonna just do the cash giveaway and then try to find another setup. It's just so everybody who wants to be able to actually participate in. So the Discord link is right there. If you guys want to be able to participate in today's cash giveaway, all you need to do is drop a like on that Instagram post. Drop a like. I mean, drop a like. You need to drop a comment. We're gonna open up all the comments, and then we're gonna, you know, everybody's gonna be able to spam something, and we're gonna choose a random comment. Random comment, like and comment. Make sure you guys like and comment because we're going to do a giveaway within 10, 20, 30 minutes. And yeah, you guys need to be following both Instagram accounts as well. Drop a like here on YouTube if you want to support the channel. Thank you, Arnold. I am triggered. I want to take a buy so bad. I'm scared, a little bit scared. I think that stop loss is valid. I'm just trying to make sure I don't go through a heavy drawdown. That makes any sense? All right, boys, this is the trade that we're going to take. This is the trade that we're going to take. How far is it from the daily? This is the trade that we're going to take, boys. Start executing this trade. Entry at 190,600. Oh, not even 190, 580. We're just put this at 600. This is going to come down. We're going to experience a little bit of drawdown. I need you guys to make sure you guys don't over risk in this trade. You guys over risk in this trade, you're going to get clapped real quick. There's a high chance that we go through drawdown. Very, 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 very high chance we go through drawdown. I'm not going to catch the continuation of sells. I think that we're going to make a little bit of a bottom wick, disrespect this a little bit, and then from there we're going to flip bullish. That is what my take at this is going to happen. Definitely experience a little bit of drawdown. I put myself initially in drawdown. My entry is way before this little thing, but so 290. We're gonna go 290 just to be safe. Yep. How does he does it? No way, I just did that. Hopped into the freaking wrong pair. Hate when I do that. You better saw that big tip and get. How does he does it? Makes you do check it. I love it. We're probably gonna go through a little bit of drawdown, boys. I think that we're gonna go through a little bit of drawdown. I'd be surprised if we don't. I don't mind going through the drawdown. It's kind of like playing golf and starting off with a goddamn bogey. Like, it's better than starting off with a birdie, I'm telling you. $190. We're just gonna say 600.
What you know about move your folks so you can handle smoke. Night owl with that Drake must be OEO. What the fuck, nigga? Look me in my eyes, tell me what you see. If I get that news that he survived, he going back down that street. For them flying for weeks, we won't get back for B. He got burned, got caught in the line that he shouldn't have been trying to beef, bitch. I was like tourists, pop out on my block just taking pictures. I don't care if you keep your gun, but boy, you ain't no killer. Interrogations, I do drugs, no sir, I can't remember. It's a hit me in this scat, no, we can't surrender. And my windows tinted, really push it under. I got blood diamonds in my pendant. I got a feeling they'll use my lyrics in my sentence. We pop out and play with switches. Anywhere them bitches get it. 40 Glock, my pistol kicking.
I'm so cold, boys.
What you know about move your folks so you can handle smoke. Night owl with that Drake must be OVO. What the fuck, nigga? 1, 2, 3, free.
I don't like that counts. We're gonna go through a little bit of drawdown right now. I have a strong feeling we're gonna go through a little bit of drawdown. I mean, you get in too early, bro. I feel that there's a little bit of drawdown going to come nonetheless. I feel like my stop loss is just really well placed. Really well placed. I don't see my stop loss really getting tapped out. And if it does get tapped out, because I got the bias wrong, and I get the bias wrong, I move forward. It really is what it is. Let me go to my trading log. So this is what we do every single day. We take our 1 trade a session. After we take our 1 trade a session, while we're waiting for it to happen, we come and we start logging our trade. Today is 27. 27 02 2024. What time is it? 4. We took it at 4 o'clock. Haven't closed it yet. It's London session. Trading GJ. Took a buy. 190. 600. No exit yet. Take profit. 190. 900. Stop loss 190. 300. Standard lot size. 5 lot. 1%. We're just going 1%. We have not lost this trade yet, boys. I'm just filling up the log. Once I click the exit, so imagine if I put we exit at 190. 600. Well, I'm gonna put 600 for now. Just make it look, well, imagine I go 601. We win, right? But I'm gonna put it at like break even, just so people don't join and get thrown off. We haven't finished this trade yet. We are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out of our last 7 trades, we lost 1 of them. So then this would, if we lose this one, 8 out of trade, 8 trades, 2 losses. The win rate's all right. It's not. This is 73% win rate, if I'm not mistaken, still. Or it goes down a little bit, maybe 68. Not the best, but not the worst. What are we floating? This looks like it might go a little bit in drawdown. I would be surprised if it doesn't. But like I said, this is the style that we do. You know, our stop loss is valid. We're risking 1%, and we're aiming for 2%, right? Definitely aiming for 2%. Or for take profit 2. Take profit 1 is irrelevant. 75%. Thank you, Slick Blocker. Blocker. Check out the news today. Yeah, news during New York session. So what I feel like is going to happen if we go into drawdown is that there's an 8 SMA on the 2-hour candlestick chart that I feel like we might start disrespecting, which is this 8 SMA right here. This level of support, I feel like we're going to disrespect it, trade beneath it, and then have the huge wick rejection behind it. Now, I just don't feel, I feel like it's going to be 10 times harder for me to actually catch this crazy wick that it might leave right here than to just hop in here and throw a nice stop loss, standard stop loss that I always throw. On this channel, we're used to the 30 pip stop losses, so I'm completely fine with the drawdown. It really just comes down to now trusting that we got the bias of the night correct. We don't get the bias of the night correct, then we walk away with our 1% loss and we keep it moving. And that's exactly how we go about it, boys. It's very simple, clean cut. We can walk away with a loss and not be upset. Nonetheless, I'm gonna get if I do take the loss, I'm gonna be triggered to want to take the buy during New York session, because just overall, I'm still very bullish on GJ. I understand that we have a lot of bearish price action right now is key. Like it's what's moving the market, the bearish momentum, 100%. Right now, what we're trying to do is just trying to catch the reversal of the momentum. Volatile session, not really. It's been semi-volatile, semi-not volatile. Yeah, I need to send it to the admin signals as well. Need to not be lazy. Admin signals. So this is like the last trade that we took. Wow, the last trade we took, boys, is this exact setup. Look at this. 190, 190.600. This is the exact trade we took last time. That's so funny. That's exactly the trade that we took last time. I'll take it. That gives me, I'll happily lose this one. Look at this, boys. It's the same exact setup. I just copy and pasted it. 190.600, take profit at 190.900, and we slaughtered it. This was the last, and we had a whole bunch of people that actually took this trade. Send it fast. Oof. Don't even like looking at it like that. Let's not even look for it now. That's so funny that this is the same exact setup we took, but we took it while price was rising. Now we're taking it while price is going down. Kind of throws me off now. And we're good. While we're in drawdown, might as well put this into fucking, I'm gonna just leave it there. Woo. Boys, if you guys have not, we should start doing the giveaway right now. We're gonna do the giveaway. All right, let's go to Nightbot. Got a lot of people going into the Discord. Boys, if you guys have not joined the Discord yet, make sure you guys join the Discord right there. Let's do the giveaway. Mods are allowed to be a part of it also. Anybody who... All right, boys. If you guys want to participate in today's giveaway, one thing you need to do is type something in the chat. When you type something in the chat, you're going to be an eligible user, right? We're going to do a random spin. It's going to, all the eligible users is going to be out of luck to see who gets chosen to be the $50 winner. All you got to do something is type in the chat right now. As well as typing, you guys need to have a comment on that Instagram post that Varas is spamming. There's an Instagram post that is being spammed that you guys need to be able to have a comment in. If your name gets chosen, you need to, you need to show us that you have the Instagram comment by telling me your Instagram name. If you comment after the fact that you win, you don't win. So this has happened many times on stream where the winner doesn't have the comment. They comment after the fact they win, and we just re-roll. It's another re-roll. We are gonna re-roll and keep it moving. So if you win and you don't have a comment on that Instagram post, we re-roll, and that's just the way it works. Make sure you guys follow both of those channels. We're going to be picky with that. So very, very picky. We have 28 eligible users. Pretty easy to win the $50 giveaway right now, boys. The odds are like playing roulette. It's like guessing the roulette number. Actually less. Ooh, cold. Bada, spam it again, spam it again, spam it again, spam it again, spam it again. Make sure you guys have a comment on that Instagram post that is being right there. That Instagram post, make sure you guys have a comment there, because if your name hits and you don't have a comment there, you're fucked. Nicest way to say it. All right, we're doing it, boys. 38 eligible users, boys. If you guys, right when the name hits, if you guys do not have a comment, like right when your name hits, I need you guys to send your Instagram user profile. If you do not have a comment, or you comment after the fact you win, we are re-rolling in front of everybody. This is for a $50 giveaway, boys. Last chance for somebody to comment. One, you have to comment. Two, type something in the chat and you're going to be one of the eligible users. All you have to do. Comment something. Comment something. All you guys got to do, it's a $50 giveaway, boys. All you guys got to do is comment something on that post. Bada, spam the post. It's the Instagram post that is being spammed to the chat. Instagram post being spammed to the chat. Drop a like. Comment something and you will be, like I said, boys, we will not give you the giveaway if you do not have the comment there. We've done so many re-rolls before because they comment after the fact they win. because they didn't expect to win. Boys, we do giveaways like these every single day. Every single day. So if you guys do not subscribe and turn on post notifications, then you guys are gonna be able to, like, I'm telling you, we've given away hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of dollars. All right, boys, we're rolling. 5, 4. Wait. Do we do 2 $25 giveaways or 1 $50 giveaway? One's in the chat for a $50 giveaway. 2's in the chat for 2 $25 giveaways. One's in the chat for the $50 giveaway. 2's in the chat for the 2. This is a hard one. I see a lot of 2's. That's so hard. I shouldn't have said anything. 2 50s. All right, we're gonna do a 50 and a 25. We're gonna do a 50 and a 25. First roll is a $50 winner. Make sure you guys have a comment, boys. If you guys don't have a comment and your name hits, you're fucked. I can see who comments after the fact. We're rolling. 5, 4, 3, 2. Mayfair on the green. What is your Instagram? He said 2. He wanted 2 $25. This guy wanted $25 giveaways, and he just won the $50 giveaway. What's his Insta? We need to see his Instagram name. I need to see. Yeah, what's his username? Shambu360. Let's see if he has a comment. Does he have a comment? Paras, help me find it. I'll be able to tell you if he does it after the fact. I doubt it. I think he has the comment. He said his name pretty. I don't think he has it. We might roll $50 again, boys. Oh, he put 2 fire emojis. Let's see. I mean, I believe him, but I just need to double check. I don't think he put it. I don't feel horrible if if he actually put it and we just re-roll though, so I'm double checking again. That's Eli? Is that your name? He don't have it. Boys, I think we're re-rolling. Spam the Instagram link. Spam the Instagram. Para, spam the Instagram link. Boys, you guys need to like this comment. It's comment on this post right here, boys. It's the right here. I'm gonna give you guys 10 seconds. Click on it. Spam. I'm sorry, I can't. Fucking drawdown. Well, exactly what I expect. A little bit of drawdown, nonetheless. We're dying. Bearish momentum's dying out. I could expect one little large more candle to the downside, but Jesus Christ. Whatever. Back to the giveaway. All right, we're rolling. Yo, Paras. This is where you either win the community or you lose them. This is your chance to see if Paras is greedy. Let's see if Paras is greed. Is Paras gonna say, give ban to re-roll? Paras is gonna do the community like that? Paras, you have a chance to do the community. Re-roll? Everybody. Paras is saying re-roll. Boys, I need some W's in the chat for Paras. Paras said, fuck your $50. Give that to the community. Boys, W's in the chat, Paras. Where's Paras? W's in the chat, Paras. Paras is letting you guys re-roll. That is, boys, for when you guys have Paras say something and you remember this moment, because last time he won $50, I sent him the $50 and he was like, man, this is a lot of money in India. And he's only like 18, 19 years old. He's young. And he was like, man, this is a lot of money where I'm from. So I more than shocked, more than happy. I think Paras just earned fucking, I mean, this is why I have him right here. Paras, much love to you, brother. We are going to re-roll. Let's see the next person. Let's see if this is good luck. The next person you help out also says the $50 is really... Paras won fair and square though, boys. There's no added luck to anybody's thing. I can't do that. This is... So W's in the chat to Paras. Much love to Paras. We'll give him a shout out on Instagram after so you guys can roll. Re-rolling again. Another $50 giveaway, boys. Did this guy win already? Rojas? That's money. That's cash. He follows the channel. I already know for a fact he has a fucking comment. What's your username, Rojas? Username. We need the username. Yo, Paras went crazy. Yeah, he did. He follows. I know he did. He's one of the OGs. I'm happy he won $50. Make sure you message me on Instagram. $25 giveaway. What's your username? This is your username. $25 giveaway. What is your username? Adel Issa. Yo, Paras surprised me today big time, boys. Paras earned a shit ton of my respect today. W's in the chat. If Adel Issa doesn't send... Oh, Adel Alashagar. Where are you from, Adel? Where is this $25 going to? Big respect to Paras. Love to Paras, man. And yeah, I mean, I ain't speaking lies when I say I asked him specifically. I was like, bro, you're happy? He was like, yes, of course I'm happy. I was like, really? I was like, $50? He goes, bro, this is a lot of money. And I was like, damn, Paras. I participated from 11 accounts. Oh my god. That's the smart way to go with it. Bahrain. Make sure you message me on Instagram, Bahrain. Boys, we do giveaways like this every single day. Like every single day. If you guys enjoyed the giveaway, make sure you guys drop a like. Make sure you guys subscribe, turn on post notifications. Make sure you guys join the Discord as well. Discord. Let me spam the Discord. Yeah, boys. Admin signals, track records here. If you guys have questions about the challenge passing services that we do, you guys go over here and you open up a ticket. And you will be answered as soon and promptly as possible. Boys, that was fun. That was fun. I enjoy doing giveaways with you guys. I truthfully enjoy giving back. I really do. Cactus from South Africa. I'm gonna start following you guys back on Instagram. Oof. Nice. Adele, I got both of you guys here. I saw your guys' text. Oh my god. The pip flipper. I need to get the pip flipper on. The pit flipper is shadow banned on this thing. I'm not sure what he did, but he's shadow banned on Discord. I need to get the pit flipper's Discord username, and I need to figure out how to unban him. Shout out to you, brother. Prince Nos, a real estate investor. Wearing a Da Vinci jacket. That boy big ballin'. What the fuck? Alright, let me go back to YouTube real quick. I can't see you guys' comments, so I need to go to YouTube Studio. Rejection. We need to start seeing the rejections off these levels, boys. So, content. Settings. Now. Community. Start from the tip, baby, so beat that shit down, baby girl, need a crush. Hunters keep coming, you know that's a must. If you talking money, then we can discuss. I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing right now. This isn't even my studio Switch account. Woke Money Concepts. Want to learn from you. I love your patience before entering the trade. I mean, the patience means nothing if we don't win it. Nonetheless, this is a part of the plan. The little bit of drawdown that we're in is a part of the plan. I'm not worried. I mean, I have my statistical odds knowing that this trade has a very strong chance of hitting. If it doesn't hit, I'm going to walk away and walk away with a 1% loss. It really comes down to just following my 1% or 1% of risk management. With the setups that I take, I mean, I've seen the past history of my trades. I know what my win rates are. I just got to keep on trusting my setups and keep following risk management. And I always, you know, that's how I end up profitable. Now, I'm not telling you guys I could fucking flip $1 million account into fucking $5 million or grab $100,000 and take it into $1 million. Like, actually, 100,000 to $1 million is possible, very possible. But I'm not claiming, I'm not telling you that this is what we're gonna do, that we're gonna fucking become millionaires off one trade, two trades. No, I'm showing you guys on these live streams that consistency is what's gonna fucking actually bring you forward. It's like discipline and consistency. It's like the same thing as going to the gym. Let me get the pip flipper. I owe the pip flipper. Man, next time the pip flipper, you're gonna get like fucking extra rolls and shit like that. I feel super bad that pip flipper's always here and he's fucking shadow banned, which I have no idea why. I really wonder why. You don't just get shadow banned for no reason, but the pip flipper's been here for a while, so community. The pip flipper, you should be back right now. Badass, do me a favor and go like every single comment that everybody that wants to show support. I want you guys to like every single comment that was commented on that post. If you guys truly do show support, I'd love that. Just comment, just like every single comment. Just scroll through that bitch and start spamming like on every single comment. Trying to see if I could boost these posts. I think I need to ask you guys. Space Devil, go and please like every single comment. Please, please, please. Tamilius, same thing. Badas, same thing. Get him, got him, get him, get him. See, I think I gotta ask just personally the people that I feel like they'll do it. They hear that I'm calling for the help, and they got me. Slick Blocker. I don't have you on Instagram, Slick Blocker. Why not? I can't see the chat comments. Let me take out this YouTube. So the Pit Flipper, you should be back. If I'm not mistaken, the Pit Flipper, type something, maybe. The Pit Flipper. Thank you so much, Get him. Thank you for everybody who went and spammed the likes in the comments. GJ looks weak on currency meter, and JPY like bull. Gold reversal? Did it really reverse? I don't consider that a reversal, but it's definitely going through a retracement. Slick Blocker, thank you so much. Also, thank you for everybody who went and spammed the likes on all the comments. What I like about my trade so far is that bearish momentum has died out. Do I think that this is the complete bottom? It's hard to tell that part, but I definitely understand the fact that, I mean, bearish momentum has died out, and when bearish momentum dies out, all we need is a strong wave of volatility to be able to turn price around. Like I said, we still have a lot of space for drawdown for if this wants to still trigger in a whole bunch of sellers and stop out buyers. How many lots are you currently in? I'm in 5 lot on a $100,000 account. On a $50,000 account, I'm in a 4 on a 2.4 lot. I'm in 1. This is all equals $1,000, 1% on every account that I'm currently passing challenges with this trade. And most challenges are up already, so if we do lose 1%, it really just doesn't matter. That's why I'm taking my probabilities. That's it. I'm risking 1%, $1,000 for $2,000, right? And yeah, we could afford the risk. We could afford the risk. That's why we're going for this beautiful 1 to 2 risk reward ratio setup. Yep, it's on strong levels of SMAs. We're definitely on a strong level of support. More new every single day. We always talk about the watch of the day. The watch of the day today is the one I was telling you guys. It's one of my favorites that I have. Rolex. Oh, come on, focus. It's the Explorer. Rolex Explorer. Just a classic, nice little 36 millimeter. This watch, I was gonna try to give you guys a good story about when I bought it, but there was actually no good. This wasn't even the first Rolex. This was the second one. And there's no good story about buying it. I just fucking was trigger happy. And it glows in the dark and shit. 32-hour power reserve, 36 millimeter. Why 36 millimeter? Because that is the classic fit, boys. When you guys got 40 millimeter watches and it just looks bulky. This is so perfect. Just such a classic look. I be trying to count on money. I had a dinosaur that glowed. Dude, I had these little dinosaurs that glowed when you put them in the water. They like get bigger. I be trying to count on my things I can pay. A little bit more Energizer, boy. Who's he over here losing energy?
Shit with no effort. You know I do this shit with no effort. I could do this shit with no effort. Nigga, shoes took a house. I took your bitch, took that whole time. Play my role so good after I hit, I took a ball. Take a ball, take your time, take it serious. I'm curious, should I buy me a watch or an aquarium?
A little bit more bearish momentum is probably going to be in the market. Like I said, I expected a little bit of drawdown when I hopped into this trade. It was more to settle myself into the market. we get stopped out, it's because we're going to continue to the downside, strong bearishly. Nonetheless, higher probability trade still is buys. Very, very boring wait while we're in profit, to say the least. I mean, drawdown.
One time for my pops, free twink, rest in peace, T, fuck the ops. One time for Lil CJ, one time for Lil Rock, 50 rounds in that top, niggas move, niggas drop. One time for Wando, we did that beat in K.
Every time pack get going, I get another load.
Got enough. Gonna make this shit up yourself, though. I'm gonna watch this motherfucker's video.
Cook that shit up, Quay. Baby.
I feel like gold buys might be a strong move right now.
That is my dog for sure. That is my dog. That is my dog for sure. That is my dog. Me and my dog. We get them two in a row. Me and my dog. We get them two in a row. They just keep on calling. She said she ready to pull up. As soon as I get there, I'ma put her on the floor nails. I'm on my way. I'm going fast. I'm coming home to get you. I'm on my way. I'm going fast. I'm coming home to get you. $100,000 on my neck. Another 50,000 on my wrist. Every nigga with me real rich. Niggas having pressure about the bitch. I got all my cases dismissed. I don't go back and forth.
Keep your illegal business off your bodice, I agree. Ooh.
I don't take drugs no more. Baby mama tripping about a bitch. I'm just trying to take care of my kid. I've been in the trenches getting rich.
All right. Jesus Christ, boys. If you guys have not joined the Discord yet, I apologize for the repetitiveness. Is that every time I send the Discord link, we still have so many people that join, which means that there's a bunch of viewers in here that aren't getting actually the value that I'm providing for free. Join the Discord group if you guys want to be able to. After the stream ends, which is going to end pretty soon, we're going to just leave this trade up. I don't think we're going to get stopped out within the next 20 minutes. Or take profit in the next 20 minutes. So what we're going to do, boys, is after this voice channel, after this stream ends, we're all going to meet up. Bottas, actually start going over here if you want right away. We're going to go to the voice chat, and everybody's going to be able to unmute themselves. And, you know, we've been joining the voice chat after every single stream. And it's fun. It's fun. We got a whole bunch of people sharing their ideas. Share it to the free chat, Bottas. Oh, he doesn't hear me. I'm pretty sure he's going to share it to the free chat. All right, boys, it's here. This is where everyone's gonna be able to join, unmute themselves. You guys can share your guys' screen. This is like where we go and we hang out after the streams. We usually wait for the trade to hit or lose. Nonetheless, I'm gonna join there, and my neck hurts. This is not gonna go anywhere. It's bouncing. It's just doing nothing. It's stuck. So let's hop into there. We'll manage the trade inside the chat. We'll, you know, give a chance to everybody to talk shit and share their ideas. We'll have a whole bunch of people on there saying I'm about to get clapped, which is the beautifulness of the voice chat. Now, everybody make sure you guys are respectful. Bottas is in charge, which means that his rules are the ones that go, sadly. You guys got a fucking 18-year-old in charge in there. Boys, thank you guys so much for joining the stream. It's been about 3 hours. We're in this trade. We're going to keep on holding this trade all the way down to the stop loss. So no matter what, we in this bitch. Right, boys? We're going to go to the voice chat. After I end the stream, I want to see everybody go into the voice chat. You see there's already people joining. You guys just joined the Discord. You guys go over here. Go to the free section in the free chat. You guys will see the join voice, or you guys can just click right here. What else was I going to say? Boys, if you guys are not in the Discord, the link was already spammed above in the chat. You guys want to be able to see my spreadsheet that shows all the trades that I have taken. right there. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, Instagram link is also right there. Boys, much love to everybody who's come and joined the stream. We're going to be live tomorrow during Asian session and live tomorrow during London session. 2 streams tomorrow. I will make sure to schedule them up. You guys will be able to see it's scheduled, so make sure you turn on post notifications and subscribe to the channel, boys. We are on the road to 5,000 subscribers. Make sure you guys drop a like and subscribe. On the road to 5,000 subscribers. How many subscribers do we got up to the moment? YouTube Studio. Active community guidelines strike. Jesus Christ. All right, boys. What? This is like old. Why am I getting striked for shit that's old? That's stupid as hell. I can't get any more strikes right now. That's ridiculous. Alright, boys. Much love to everybody. I adore you guys. See you, boys. Much love, everybody. On the road to 5,000 subscribers. Make sure you guys subscribe. I don't even know what my subscriber count is right here. Love you guys. See you, boys. Go to the Discord chat. Bye-bye. Love y'all.
Put me on your camera, you know what I look like. She like put it in me raw, I answer what I look like. They just call me when you get here, you know I don't book flights. We can't pop out, it won't even look right. I just hit the woman of my dreams with another bitch. I just scratched 10 million off my bucket list. I'm never on no sucker shit. My city stand behind me, I swear I love this shit. Building up for my kids, I ain't gon' never quit. Investing my money in all type of shit. Ownership. Please don't involve me in all that messy shit. I don't want the bitch. I put 26s on my color, none of that country shit. Building up my audience, I'm all in other countries with it. Maxing out my debit cards in 1 star. Take a pretty girl and give her what she want. I'm just having fun. Catch me cutting up in that ZR1. This the fast kind. I done got my shit together. I'm way better than last time. Yeah. Slide my Rolls Royce through the hood. That shit look good like right on. Get your own salon. Your hair done when you want from now on. Tell the police I don't do nothing, I've been selling these songs. Ain't put no cap inside my rap.